Hello and welcome to A Sustainable Life. My name is Abhigna Harvu and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make masala chai. Masala chai is a spiced black tea with milk in it, and what I'm going to do is show you how to make it vegan. So let me show you all the ingredients. Black tea powder, some cardamom pods, a few black peppercorns, a clove, some cinnamon, brown sugar or agave, and ginger. We're also going to be using any non-dairy milk of choice. We're going to be grinding everything in a little spice grinder here, or a mortar and pestle. Here I have the cardamom pods, the clove, and the peppercorns. If you're using a cinnamon stick instead of cinnamon powder, you can also put it in here. So to make the chai, let's put in some water, medium heat, grate in the ginger, we're going to be adding the black tea powder here, cinnamon, brown sugar, and our spice mix. Gently stir it around. Now that it's come to a boil, I'm going to turn it off the flame. And I'm going to add in my milk, only now because I don't want it to curdle. So I don't want to bring it to a boil again. I'm just going to add it at the end. And I'm going to stir it around. It'll still maintain the heat. Now it's basically ready. All I'm going to do is filter it out with a really fine mesh sleeve. It smells so good. Brings me back to India. Thanks for watching. Bye!